Okay, so I put everything together, everything back together. I mounted the valve that's right here. This screw is from the headlight, which you would have to unscrew as well as the top three. So unscrew this, and this is where I mounted the valve. So on this side did the same, right here. So let's test it out. Put it on.
Pay a low deposit, and if the price of that holiday goes down, they'll refund the difference. Book a winter vacation with confidence and take advantage of price guarantees.
It starts off a little blue at first, but then once it starts getting warmer, you can see. Once it gets warmed up, it turns white. As you can see, it's not as blue as when I first showed you guys. So the process installing it took about, I say, half an hour, 45 minutes, because I had to take out the headlight and everything and customize and drill those holes for the caps. Everything is good, working perfect. And these are projector headlights, so you won't have to worry about it shining all over the place. It'll have a nice clean cut. So yeah, we'll test it out tonight when it gets dark and see how it is. Thank you for watching, and I hope these videos help you out, since probably there will be no other ones until maybe a couple months or so. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you out and whatnot. Alright, we'll see you guys later. Bye.